Food, a very integral part of our daily lives, but something many of us neglect to think that people are lacking. Food insecurity is a growing concern with the inflation and the rising cost of living. Today we're going to take a look at this problem and how it's being addressed with community fridges.
The community fridge was given to us in December of 2021, so just over a year. So we have individuals that buy food and donate, but there's also volunteers that bring food from different places. So there's one person brings food like from Nestor's. Some of the local restaurants have also donated, or coffee shops. We will pick up food from coffee shops and then we'll just put it in the fridge. There's sometimes people that come and take more than others, and that is a challenge because people think that maybe they're taking it all for themselves, but in reality we don't know. So it's kind of trying to get everybody to understand that we can't judge people or shame people.
People shouldn't be afraid to ask for help. I think wherever you can get help and people need it, I don't think it's a bad idea or there's shame attached to it.
Would you be worried to take food from a community fridge?
I'd be a little worried. Yeah, you don't know if someone's putting in there, and there are some freaks out there, so.
Many of the fridges that I visited were in poor condition with little food to offer, if not shut down completely. How can we make these community fridges a better reflection of our community?
Try not to shame people or judge people, and everybody's in a different situation. And then take what you need, leave what you can. I think those, and then also the maintenance of the fridge, like cleaning it.